Look at this. Sort of hard to see, but he's just floating. He's floating from the tree. He's floating from way up there. See him? Huh. He's just floating, bro. Where'd he go? There he is. There he is. That's crazy. Like, think about his world right now. Like, I don't know if you can see him that good, but yeah, he's just trying to get up there. And to him, he's like, come on, bro. But to us, I'm just watching, like, bro. Like, you got this, bro. It's hard to see him. But yeah, we're that insignificant too. It's crazy.